Hello to you my fashion lovers, you're welcome back to Nail Vibes, the channel as you always know that gives you nothing but the very best in nails fashion. So in case you are seeing this channel for the first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and as you do that, do not forget to turn on the bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will definitely be the first to be notified. Okay, so ladies, in this video for today, I have the best collections of fingernail painting nail art designs for you my gorgeous queens. Looking at these nails, you see that this is not my usual kind of content. These nails look so good and gorgeous. Here you can choose a variety of different fingernail painting art designs for you to choose and make on your fingers. So watch the video from beginning to end in order for you not to miss a single slide. So ladies, as you watch, kindly support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up. Okay, like the video, and you can as well share it to your friends and your loved ones. Also save it for your later use. I also say a very big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching my videos and also engaging. Trust me guys, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. Thank you guys so much. So ladies, at the end of this video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my video or my channel in general. And in case this is not really what you want, you can go down to my channel to see other video types that I have on different nails. Okay, thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.